Real shit.
I won't slow down. See me grinding along my
Loud pack coolin'. Yeah, shawty, you can get it if you choosing. We in Miami getting ready for this long night. Man, I'm so addicted to this fast life. Don't give a fuck cause I'm the realest nigga in it. Or maybe I'm just winning. Champagne, man. Room full of women. A nigga tryna smash but her friends wanna stay up. Late as hell knowing damn well I gotta be up. 5 in the morning. Roll that kush up. Then it's for the low. I got that hook up. Doing what I want. Put that bullshit behind me. Keep them fake friends from around me. I be grinding so hard, make them haters say slow down. Took over the city in my first round, yeah. And I swear I'm not finished. You old rappers.